So if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can join the family. Today I'm reacting to XG Puppet Show, the official dance practice. It was uploaded 8 days ago, so I'm not that late. Yay. Love that for me. I'm excited to get into this dance practice. The music video was literally out of this world. Literally. Once again, just congrats on your first, mini album. I hope you guys are, reaping all the benefits and getting y'all coin like you deserve. So, yep, press and play in 3, 2, 1. That logo was crazy. Okay. Oh, I love this. Oh. Oh my God. Ooh. Talk about a dance team. I love that everyone does that dance move. In the music video, it's just her. It's really so cool. Can I just say I love Chisa's hair? They're too good. Oh, so good. They do it so easily and so smooth. I love the like the puppet master theme dance moves. They're so cool. Juren, you're killing me right now. Wow. Ooh. Okay, ladies. Oh, wow. They play with levels really nicely. That was cute. Ooh, footwork. It's so seductive and they all kill it. Can I also just say I love that Juren comes up to the center in the end, just because, she's the leader and all of that. And I just love that little detail in it. Oh, you can hush, ad. That was incredible. I loved every single second of it. I wish I could scream louder, but I'm not the only one home at the moment. But oh my God, they all killed it. As far as outfits, let me find a nice spot where they're all in the front. I don't know who will wear. I don't know. They all are really cool. I can't choose a favorite in this case. I'm sorry, I can't. But towards the end there, Juren really shined. I don't know. She kind of took the spotlight. For most of the video, my eyes didn't really leave Chisa or Maya. But in the end, Jurn said, "Hello, how you doing? I'm here." They all are just beasts at what they do. This choreography is insane, and they all killed it. I need to see it live. I think that they performed in Japan, if I'm not mistaken, recently. So I'll try to find a live, because they had to perform this, song. That's their new song. I'll try and find it. That has to be my next XG video. No promises, but most likely it'll be a live. I'm gonna try to find one, a good video too, not just like a fan cam, but a good one. We'll see. Fingers crossed. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.